You just introduce yourself and give a comment about the session.
I'm Sudhindra. I'm from Bangalore. I'm doing trading past from 2 years, and after having so many classes, this class is a very valuable class and more informative. And all the best for Kishore sir, and hoping for the best.
Thank you very much. So you are able to make money by doing
using
practice.
this. Sure.
Okay. What about the tricky concept?
Oh, that is awesome. Simply awesome. This is worthy classes and more than the price which you have offered.
Super.
That is important.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And you, sir.
Like I have attended many trainings about to learn the stock market and about support and resistance. The way you thought it was like that is the real price action. There is no single indicator, only raw price reading. If you want to learn the science behind the price, what it is telling you, please attend. This is a must attend session. Must. You won't regret after attending this.
And I'm not. I have thought about any chart patterns or anything.
Nothing, no indicators, nothing, no chart patterns, nothing, only raw price action. This is called as real price action, not some moving average, some indicator, nothing. Raw price action, raw reading. Attend this.
Super. Thank you, sir. And you, sir.
Hi, this is Shoaib from Bangalore, and if you want to learn something unique with the Candletricks, this is the right place. Value for money. I don't have much words to say, but obliged to meet such a intellectual person, Mr. Kishore. And teachings are very simple. Basically, he taught us to keep things simple rather making it complicated. So, want to learn price action? This is the right place. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And you, sir.
Well, it's something new to me, in the sense that I've never seen this method of explaining the concepts, because I'm basically familiar with the RSI and so many indicators and all that. Here it was purely price action and the way to interpret the price action, and that is very, very impressive. And thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir.